Social Dilemma debuted a few weeks ago on Netflix. The docudrama explores the human impact of social networking.
Yes, and that can be a little unnerving, especially for parents. So we talked to tech expert Burton Kelso about some things we should keep in mind for our kids and ourselves.
What I want people to know is that everything they're doing online is being watched, is being tracked. Every single action you take is carefully monitored and recorded.
The whole premise of the documentary is to share how invasive social media and search engine giants are in our lives.
Social media has become a lifeline for a lot of us, helping us stay in touch and stay connected during a global pandemic. Tech expert Burton Kelso says, just make sure you're protecting yourself when you're using it. How? His first tip, search the web anonymously.
The way social media companies gather your recent web searches is to look at the cookies that are stored within your browser. So all modern web browsers, including Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, and even Opera and Microsoft Edge, have the ability to allow you to surf in incognito mode. So if you surf in incognito mode, the browser doesn't store your cookies, so that way advertisers aren't able to look at your web browser to find out what sites you've been to, and it helps you keep your it helps you to stay a little bit more anonymous online.
Burton's next tip, using a VPN service.
A VPN stands for a virtual private network, which will allow you to mask your IP address so that social media sites and search engine sites can't see what part of the world or actually target your location.
His third tip is a tenet of journalists everywhere. Fact check, fact check, fact check.
The horrible thing about social media is all of the misinformation that's going around. The challenge is that if you see something on social media sharing news or information about an event or a specific topic, you want to fact check. So you can go to Snopes.com to fact check the information to verify that the post of the news that you're seeing is real. Also, you want to look at least 3 media sources to verify that the information that you're seeing on social media is actually legit.
Burton also recommends being wary of your smart devices like cell phones, tablets, and smart speakers in your home.
You can log into your accounts and make sure that it doesn't save your recorded information. And as far as your smartphone, with your Android device and your iPhone, you can turn off the OK Google listening, and you can turn off the Hello Siri or OK Siri on your smartphone so it's not listening to your recorded conversations.
When it comes to kids, Burton recommends restrictions and limitations.
The challenge with technology is that it's designed to be addicting, and it can be more addictive to small minds. So the longer you hold off your kids from specific types of technology, such as social media or gaming sites, it'll help make your kids a little bit more responsible and not allow them to become as addictive to technology. If you limit your kids to schooling apps, online learning on their tech devices, it will help keep them a little bit more focused. But when you let them run the gamut of the internet as far as getting on social media and playing games like Fortnite and Roblox, then it just allows them to become targeted by ads, and it also creates a sense of addiction with their tech devices.